launch of EV charging station at Starling Mall.
So they can actually go up to 400 kilowatts per charge, so across 5 bays.
Initially, there was an issue about where to charge around this area. So I think you have solved this problem.